welcome everybody to our Tap Pets spectacular performance. We are super duper excited today for you to come and watch us hopefully bring you a day of enjoyment, inspire you to go out and do what it is that you love to do, what sets your souls on fire. And remember, no matter what age you are, as you grow old, no matter where you are and what chapter you are in your life, always do that little special something that feeds your soul. Always remember that joy is always in the form of people, so surround yourself with all the good people all the time. Our philosophy is, you don't stop dancing because you grow old, you grow old because you stop dancing. It's so true in anything that you do. So today, our goal is just to inspire you. Hope you enjoy our show. Yay.